1991 or 1990s, and it's been on the shelf for a whole bunch of years. It's just hasn't been done. I thought, well, I'd bring it back off, sort of brush off some instruments. So I use a tinkle box and some old African citrum, sort of a Western version of African citrum.
You did come after all.
And some rototoms. And brush off nature mouse and bring it back up to this really wonderful bird that And Sachiko asked me to do this. It was this I just was really happy. I'm usually quite a inclusive guy. I don't really do do a lot of things. I like to stay in my cabin and spend time at home in the woods with the animals and things. And I thought, well, gosh, I'll be a little sociable. I'll try. It's great to be here. I feel the same way. It's really nice to see a lot of familiar faces out there. And I think it's just a wonderful event. Thanks so much for coming down. I think the staff here is just wonderful. This is the first time I've ever been asked. Rarely do you get asked to do a concert. Usually, you have to go out and sort of hustle yourself, And I play here, but this is one of the few where someone asked me. So it's great to be here. That was called Woodpeckers, and upstairs in one of the upper rooms, I have some of my artwork available and some CDs for sale, and that's on one called Nature Drums, which came out way back in 1990, and it's now on CD, believe it or not, on the new technology of these days. It's the original cassette recording, and so we've got some recordings available up there. I want to continue with a piece, some music on the keyboard here, this old Suno 1. San Francisco. That's actually an old song that I wrote in 1987, and it's on a little cassette called Hiking Music, which is out of print, but one of these days when I get a little extra money, I'll be able to put it on CD. Let's play another one for you, and this one is called John Muir. John Muir is one of my heroes. He really inspired me, him and Teddy Roosevelt back in the early 20th century, started the national parks, and so he's a real hero of mine, and I wrote a song all about him, and this is it, John Muir.